Okay, so today I'm going to be performing an eye exam on you. So I'm going to test your vision, and I'm going to test the muscles and the strength of them in both eyes. To start with, I'm going to look at the outside of your eyes, and I'm looking for your lids if they're drooping on one side or the other, or both. I am looking at your eyelashes to see if they're curling out correctly, not too far in, not too far out. I'm looking at both of your eyebrows to make sure that they're full from the center all the way to the sides. I'm looking for scarring, bruises, bumps, secretions, and everything looks real good with your eyes. So next, I'm going to go ahead and do a corneal light reflection. So I'm just looking at the clear part of the front of your eye, and I want you to go ahead and look at that picture for me over there. I'm going to shine a light in the side of your eye. It's nice and clear. And then I'm going to have you look at the candles over there. And that side's nice and clear as well. So next, I'm going to do another light reflection test, and this one is to see that the reflection is reflecting equally on both eyes in the same spot, all right? So I'm going to have you go ahead and look at the tip of my nose. All right, and they're both very equal. And next, I'm going to go ahead and pull down your lid, but I should be wearing gloves, clearly. So I'm going to have you go ahead and look up for me. All right. I'm going to pull down your lid, and I'm going to shine a light in it just to look at the bottom of your lid and the white part of your eye is clear. Okay, and everything looks good on that side. All right, I'm going to go ahead on this side. Everything looks normal in there as well. And then next, I'm going to have you, you're right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to have you go ahead and look at the very tip of the pen, and I'm going to do the figure H, and I want you to look forward with your head, so just use your eyes. Perfect. And then next, I want to check that the constriction of your eyes and the dilation is working like it should. So first, I'm going to have you focus on the tip of the pen for me, up close. All right, and I'm going to have you look at that picture back behind me. All right, and look at the pen again. All right, good. So your eyes get real nice and small. They constrict, the pupils do, when you're up close, and they dilate like they should when you're looking far away. So next, I'm going to go ahead and look at the inside of your eye. Just going to have the light on a little bit. This is called the red reflection test. So I'm just going to look at the arteries and the back of your eye to make sure that everything looks healthy, all right? I'm going to have you look straight forward at me. I'm just going to put one hand on top of your head. I'm going to come in here. Okay. There it is. All right. And there's the optic disc in the cup. And you have kind of dilated arteries, but that's perfectly fine. I'm going to come in on this side. Have you look forward straight at me right now. What is there? No, look right on. All right. And everything looks good and healthy in this eye as well. Nothing abnormal. So next, I'm going to go ahead and do the cover-uncover test. So I want you to put this in front of one eye, so you look straight behind me at the wall, and then I'm going to have you uncover, uncover, and uncover. And I'm just trying to test to see if you have weakness in either eye by straining it, and you know what I mean? So I'm going to have you place this in front of your eye for me, look right up behind me, go ahead and uncover, cover again, uncover, one more time. Uncover. Perfect. Now go ahead and do that with the other eye. Uncover. Cover. Uncover. Cover. Uncover. All right, perfect. And everything looked normal with that. So lastly, what I want to do is a vision test on you. I am going to go ahead and use a handheld one. So there are numbers right here on the left, as you see. Don't worry about these in the middle or the X's and O's on the far right. I'm going to have you I'm going to point to it and you tell me when to stop going as far up as you can reading, all right? How about we start here? Can you see that?
Yep.
I'm going to start right here, 14 inches away.
Okay. 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, 7.
Next line.
6, 8, 3, 2, 7, 9.
Okay.
And 3, 7, 2, 6, 4, 8.
All right, and you got 2 of the numbers on the last line wrong, but that doesn't matter. You still got more than half right, so you would have 20/20 vision. And that completes the eye exam for today.